Happy Monday, Beauty, and happy MLK Day. So this week I'm going to be giving you guidance around leaving or shifting out of your traditional job and stepping into the purpose work, the work that you really are here to do, the work that is your heart's desires work to do. The importance of why we do this is what I want to share today. We do this because intuitively we want to be better people in this world, and we want to be the light that we came here to be. A lot of us know this already, and some of you don't. Some of you just know that you want to do something that helps the world to be better, and you want to make a change through whatever beautiful work it is that you do. That's why it's important to follow your heart and choose to do work that is fulfilling to you. Because when you walk on that path of fulfillment, true fulfillment, you are connected to the Creator. And your connection to the Creator allows you to be the best version of yourself. And that's what the world needs. Have a beautiful day.